This bird is known as the butcher bird because of its chilling habit of impaling prey on thorns. From egg to adulthood, this is the life of a shrike in the wild. After catching its prey, it doesn't eat it right away, but pins it onto a sharp thorn. Without strong talons, it uses the thorn to tear it apart. When food is plentiful, it stores its prey, leaving it on thorns. This is not cruelty, it is a survival strategy. It often perches high above, watching its surroundings, capturing every movement with sharp precision. And the moment it detects its prey, it dives in a split second. Before laying eggs, shrikes form a strong pair bond. The male often feeds the female as part of courtship and continues hunting, storing prey on thorns or wire. In the wild, survival is everything. Every moment is a test, and only the strong will endure.